n'iji gosi n'eziokwu na ọhamadike ndị Igbo ya bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nke bụ isi ndị IPOB Indigenous People of Biafra n'iji gosi na n'eziokwu na ọ nọ n'obodo Israel oyoyo ya pụtakwala ọzọ n'ebe ọ na-ekpe ekpere n'iji gosi na n'eziokwu na ọhamadike ndị Igbo ya bụ Nnamdi Kanu onyeisi ndị IPOB Indigenous People of Biafra na n'eziokwu na ọ nọ n'obodo Israel oyoyo ebe ọ nọ ebe ahụ wee na-ekpe ekpere ya bụ na obodo David nke akpọrọ City of David ya bụ na Wailing Wall ebe a na-ekpe ekpere wee na-akpọkwu Chineke ọhamadike wuchikwala ebe ahụ ọzọ wee jee kpee ekpere wee kpọkwukwa Chineke ọ bụghị sọsọ nke a onye nsọpụrụ iche nọkwa ebe ahụ ya bụ nwafọ Israel na ebe ahụ wee tụkwasị ya aka wee kpere ya ekpere n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ngwa na-egbughị oge lekwanụ ọhamadike Maazị Nnamdi Kanu onyeisi Indigenous People of Biafra ya bụ IPOB lekwanụ ya n'obodo Israel ebe ọ nọ wee na-ekpere ndị Igbo ekpere ọkachasị obodo Biafra lekwanụ ọhamadike.
Presentation, and of course today being the 26th day of October 2018, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the supreme leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, here at the Wailing Wall, performing his ritual of his praying at the Wailing Wall. I welcome reference all around the world wherever you are. My name is Mazike Chukwuonoha, bringing you a live presentation of Radio Biafra broadcast this evening. And of course, this is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, here in Jerusalem. And of course, this is the Wailing Wall. And he is actually praying here at the Wailing Wall. Wherever you are all around the world joining us this evening, I welcome you once again. It is the 26th day of October 2018, and this is the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra worldwide. This is undisputable. You cannot dispute that. He is the prophet of our time, the man that God has sent to redeem us from that evil contraption called the Zoological Republic of Nigeria, and of course to lead us into our promised land, which is Biafra. Biafra is assured, and Biafra must be restored. There is nothing anybody, any man can do to stop the restoration of Biafra, because Biafra is the final miracle of God on this planet Earth. Welcome once again on this live presentation of Radio Biafra. And of course we are bringing you what is happening here in Jerusalem, the holy city of David. And this is the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, of course praying here at the Wailing Wall. And of course all of you are familiar with this great place. It is a memorable place. It is a place that the whole world are too familiar with. But what makes it great at this moment is because the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the prophet of our time, is live here. This is not a Photoshop. This is live. And of course, we are direct from the holy city of David, Jerusalem. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, he is live here in the holy city of David, performing his prayer rites today. Of course, you know that in few hours time now we will be crossing over to Shabbat. And of course, it is the right thing to do, to pray to Chukwu Kabiama. And what a place to do so, in a holy land and of course in a holy city. So go and tell Pharaoh that Biafra has come. And go and tell Pharaoh to let my people go. Because it does not matter what any man do. It doesn't matter any propaganda or any sabotage of any kind. Biafra is assured. Biafra is so assured that even the demons cannot stop the restoration of Biafra. Do you know why? Biafra is a divine project. And of course, this is orchestrated by God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Once again, I welcome you if you are joining us wherever you are all around the planet of this earth. This is Radio Biafra presentation. And we are live here in the holy city of David, Jerusalem. Of course, some of you call it Jerusalem, but it is known as Jerusalem. And here is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, performing his prayer rites here at the holy city of David. Welcome once again, great Biafrans, wonderful people, beautiful people. My name is Mazi Ikechukwu. Of course, bringing you this live coverage from Jerusalem, the city of David. A great city of David, of course, is indisputable. Jerusalem is the eternal capital of Israel, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. And of course, Biafrans are part of this history in the making. And once again, this is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Mohammedik, the one of Biafra. My goodness me, you cannot dispute that. He has done everything that needs to be done to prove that he is ready, that he is a worthy servant of the people. He has done everything to show that his intention is to take Biafra to that promised land which Chukwu Okike Abiyama has promised to us, the land that flows with milk and honey, the land of Biafra. And this evening, once again, we are witnessing, of course, his prayers at the Wailing Wall. Of course, this is what is popularly known here in Jerusalem, the holy city of David. So if you are joining us, I want to welcome you once again, of course, Biafrans all around the world, lovers of freedom all around the world. Biafra is rising, and that is indeed so. And when we say Biafra is rising, this is exactly what we meant. This is exactly what we are talking about. It is not a vain talk, it is not a threat, it is a promise. Biafra is rising. You can say anything you like about him. It does not change, it does not alter the course of history. It does not change our direction, it does not change our focus. The bottom line is this: Biafra must be restored, because Biafra is a divine project of Chukwu Okike Abiyama. And we are here once again in the holy city of David to prove that once again. And this is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. He knows too well that you cannot separate our God, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, from this restoration effort of Biafra. And this is why, once again, he is praying, because you cannot do it without the help and support of Chukwu Okike Abiyama. This is Radio Biafra presentation. We are live, we are direct here at the holy city of David. We welcome you here once again, and of course, we welcome Biafrans all around the world who are joining me here to witness, of course, the leader, the supreme leader, and I call him the supreme commander of all our loyal forces. And of course, he has performed his prayer rite. As you can see, this is live, this is direct. It is not a hearsay, it is a reality. And of course, we are here to witness that the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra performing his prayer rites here in the holy city.
What is today's date?
26th.
26th. And I'll be broadcasting tomorrow. Hallelujah. I'll be talking to Biafrans tomorrow. That's right. I've been in Israel and I'll be here until I return to the zoo with everything that I've got to make sure it seems never to rise again. Amen. Chukwu Okike Abiyama is with us.
Amen. Sir.
It's very hard to win. There's nothing the enemies can do. We've almost won it. Amen. We need to stay the course and be very resolute. Without fear for the enemies. Because the zoo must fall. All the enemies of Biafra must fall. And Biafra will live to give glory to the Most High Chukwu Okike Abiyama now and forevermore.
You have heard it once again from the horse's mouth, and of course he said it once again, he will return to Biafra, and of course Biafra must be restored at the right time. This is the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, performing his prayer right here at the holy city of David. Of course, this is the Wailing Wall. This is the beautiful city, and of course Jerusalem is the eternal capital of Israel. And of course, there is nothing anybody can do about it. I welcome viewers all around the world who are joining us today. This is Radio Biafra live presentation, and this is the Supreme Leader of the indigenous people of Biafra performing his prayer rite. And of course, he is here with a rabbi here at the Wailing Wall, here at the Wailing City. Of course, we call it the Wailing Wall, and people call it the Jerusalem, of course, the city of David. All right. Welcome once again, great Biafrans. Of course, he has performed his prayer rite. He is done with his prayer rite. And of course, it is time for us to proceed. It is time for us, of course, to leave this here. I welcome all of you who have joined us all around the world. It is live presentation of Radio Biafra coming to you live here at the holy city of David. Jerusalem, of course, is the eternal capital of Israel. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Biafra restoration is a divine project. He will be live on air tomorrow. Thank you very much, great Biafrans. Of course, I thank you for joining us. Of course, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra will be live on air tomorrow. And of course, that will be 6 p.m. Biafra time. And he will be speaking to Biafrans. Thank you very much once again. My name is Nnamdi Kanu, signing off here from the holy city of David. Of course, Jerusalem, the eternal capital of Israel. We welcome you and we thank you. And God bless Biafra. God bless Israel and God bless Biafra. Goodbye.